being nosy and curious.
I'm doing this for genetic hunters.
Hey.
I wanted to show Ed and his wife, Cassie, how beautiful the girl's doing. It's my daughter, Carla, with her. But she's doing great, as you can see. I have her out because I'm replacing the aspen with coconut fiber in all my enclosures today. So she's one that'll huff at you when you first approach her, but it's, you know, it's
She's
just,
all talk.
she's all talk, yeah.
Yeah, you're all talk.
I want to take her outdoors today, but the ground's wet. We got rain
It's
today.
still a little cool out,
yeah, it's too cool out for her.
Hey,
But I just wanted to show Ed and his wife how she's doing in her new home. She's doing great. Yeah, she's a talker. When you walk up to her, first thing she does is give you a little huff at you, and then that's the end of it. You just reach in and pick her up. So, but she's a lover. She is.
She's trying to break my wrist here.
She ought to still be pissed off because she was stuck in Indiana overnight in her shipping box.
Aw.
Yeah, she missed her
Did you
flight.
get stuck overnight?
Yeah, she missed her flight, and she came in her. She was in a bag full of pee, so she was cold and soaking wet when she came in. I'd be a little crabby too myself, but yeah, that's what for everybody, especially the guy I got her from. I always keep the guys updated on how the babies are doing when I get them from them.
She's going around the back of me. Oh, nope, we're not going over to the desk. Nope. Nope. I don't know why you're so determined to go that way. Even if I boop her, she doesn't move. She's like, nope, I'm gonna keep
Because that
going.
lady's over there, it just made me come out of my enclosure, and I was having a ball prowling around, and she distracted me.
Still your spot. That's okay.
But I always do updates on these snakes I get from people so
I
they
just hit
know
my
how
funny
they're
bone.
doing. And my other daughter.
Hi. I just hit my funny bone on your desk.
Two ladies in my life. They're both
Where are you
cops.
going?
Lydia, what are you doing?
Flying the coop.
Lydia, what you doing? There aren't any in there on the stand? Oh, okay.
What are you doing?
She's tying you up in a lasso.
Yep, she's coming right around this side of me too.
She's doing dope. She's making you a hula hoop.
Go on.
So I'm turning into a hula hoop.
Well, if you ever want to know how long she is, she's about 4 inches bigger, 4 inches longer than I am around.
You better watch it. She's sizing you up to kill you and eat you, you
Oh,
know.
I know, I'm terrified. So scared.
Yeah, Lydia's doing
She
beautiful.
doesn't like her head touched.
Huh?
She doesn't like her head touched.
She doesn't bother. It doesn't normally bother her. It's just because
She just immediately tries to get away with it.
That's because she just came out. Wouldn't you be
Where
a little?
on earth do you think?
Wouldn't you be a little touchy if you were in a bag of pee overnight, sitting in it? Look, where are you going, Lydia?
Right here.
No, she'll get her. You gotta get your head stuck. Look at the cat fur, and as you can see, my floor. I'm pulling aspen out of enclosures today and putting coconut fiber in them, so my floor's gonna be a disaster all day.
And your cat's shed worse than the
And my cat shed terrible. And my contractor's coming up with wood to do my other set of steps for my porch, so it's gonna be a crazy day again. Where's her head at?
Down here on the side of my thigh.
Yeah, keep
Over
her up
you.
in case Apollo comes over wanting to
What do you
pick
think
at her.
you're running away to? Hey, get out of my shirt. There will be none of that.
She's a big girl. But yeah, I'm making this video for genetic hunters, so they can see how great Lydia's doing.
She's so pretty.
Isn't she beautiful? That's what those four
Her
boys
bottom is so white.
are. Yeah, that's what those four boys are, Pastaves. When they ever get some good size to them, they'll be her size. Isn't she beautiful?
She's a sneak.
A sneak.
Sneak.
Sneaky snake.
Snack.
A snack.
Snack. Where are you going?
I love them all to death. I don't have
Through
favorites.
my arm.
I just want to show the guy I got her from how she's doing. She's doing great. She's healthy. curious,
She's wrapping herself around
strong
me.
as a bull. Let me tell you, this snake is pure muscle. There's no fat on this girl at all. She's mass muscle, just like Tipper and Ginger are.
Yep. She's pretty heavy for her size.
So she was very well cared for previously, I can tell you that.
Yeah, you.
I'm bringing Lydia out. This is her first experience outdoors, I'm assuming. Sorry I'm shaky. What do you think? You're outdoors. Let's see what you think of this. Want to come out and meet Mother Nature? Huh? I'm blocking the light here. Let me move you around. There we go. She's beautiful. I got her from Genetic Hunters. I keep wanting to say generic hunters. It's natural. What is that? That's grass. Whoa, that must... What do you think, Lydia? You like the grass? So I'm standing right next to you. What they do best. The sun finally quit blasting on me. She's beautiful. Say, wow, I've never been out here before. This is all new. She's a beautiful Pastave. I fell in love with her when I saw the ad for the auction. I'm like, I gotta get on there and get that snake. I want that snake. That's how I fell in love with her. First time I saw her in a picture and the video. So I'm really happy to have her. I want to thank Ed and Cassie. She's beautiful. She'll have a wonderful life here. I'm sure you know that already. And she's going to be spoiled rotten. See, what is all this stuff out here? My goodness. It's so cute to see them out for the first time. Their first reaction to nature. Where are you going? So I'm going to stand up and watch everything. Where are you going, Lydia? Huh? So, oh my, this is new to me. She's really big. Okay. All right. Gentle touch. Gentle touch. Just want to let you know I'm here. You're safe. Wind's blowing a little bit. There. See, you're safe. Yeah. She's going to run back to me now, of course. You're okay. They always stay right by my side outdoors. I've got 10 acres here, and you'd think they, with the freedom I give them, they'd go somewhere, but they stay right near me. Look at this pretty girl. Look, it's scared Lydia. She's getting ready to shed shortly. She's getting that tent to her head. What are you doing, pretty girl? It is. It's so cool to see them react to nature for the first time. First time you set them on the ground. If I move away from her, she'll come right for me. Yeah, it's much better without the sun beaming on us, huh? My son just mowed the yard, so it's freshly cut. It's okay. See, wow, I'm so excited and I'm so confused at the same time. Yeah, all my snakes come outdoors in the spring and summer. We've had so much rain this year, it's ridiculous. Where are you going? Don't go too far. Don't go too far. I give them a little bit of freedom their first time out. The young ones always bring out in a plastic tote so they feel secure. Let's see how the new baby's doing. Well, you're pretty. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're pretty. Look at that. Look at that. What a beautiful baby. You happy in that bag, or you want to come out and visit? This beautiful baby came from some more reptiles in New Mexico. Jacob just arrived this morning. I track them all night long on the line. And I've got notifications set up on my cell phone, but yeah, made in safely. Just came in at actually 10:35. Close enough to be perfect. Would you like to come out of that bag? Huh? Would you like to come out and meet me? Are you really happy in there? Are you happy in that bag? Sorry I'm shaky. I haven't been up very long. I did take a 2-hour nap this morning. I was up and down all night long checking the tracking on this gorgeous. Are you a good baby? You won't talk to me too, like Lydia did when she came in? Good talker. There. Want to come out of that bag? Look at you. You're beautiful. Jacob, she made it in safely. He, I don't even remember at this point. I'm just happy the snake's here. You're hiding. Why are you hiding from me? Huh? I'm not gonna hurt you, sweetheart. Oh, the lint on my pants. I was in the middle of vacuuming my house when I heard the FedEx truck pull up. What a gorgeous... I love the spiders. I don't know why people are all of a sudden having all these issues with them. You know, you're either a responsible keeper or you're not. If you have a needy snake that needs extra attention, then that's what they should have. Look at you. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. You want to run, don't you? You can't fight. Yes, you are. You're fine. You're okay. Calm down. It's all right. Oh, my goodness. I'm out of that bag. Time to run. Time to run. You're okay. Yes, you are. You're okay. Look at you. Relax. You're safe. Yes, you are. You're fine. I just want to look you over and be sure you're okay. What a beautiful baby. Love that head stamp. That's gorgeous. Relax. Yeah, relax. Little teeny bit of head wobble. Probably from the trip though, so that doesn't concern me. Either you're a responsible snake keeper or you're not. That's all it comes down to. That's a gorgeous head stamp. Ooh, those beautiful colors. Yeah, I know. I don't want to stress you out. Spiders, I've noticed when they get stressed out and nervous, they really start kicking up a little bit of a wobble. So Mama doesn't want to stress you out any. Here. You're alright, honey. You'll be okay. You'll get spoiled rotten and loved just as much as the rest of them, trust me. I just want to say thank you, Jacob. Beautiful. Gorgeous baby. Yes, you are. So I want to go out and prowl now. I'm out of that damn box. I can't imagine being stuck in a box in a bag for a long trip. Somehow. You're okay. Calm down. Stop. Relax. Now stop. Calm down. You're safe. Relax. Slow down. Sometimes all it takes is a touch of a hand to calm them down. See? You're alright. Yeah, see? Relax. There you go. See, you're fine. After a trip like that, I imagine having some kind of reassurance that you're okay and safe is probably a positive thing for any snake. You're alright. Yes, you are. You're fine. I'll put him in a plastic tote for a few minutes to observe him, and then I'll go put him in his enclosure. Nice big 34-inch NPI enclosure. Hide box, heat, everything all set up, fresh water. Hold on. Relax. No, no. No, no. No. There you go. I'm just excited. Yes, I am. You can't get out right yet. You haven't been here long enough to be prowling in the house. No. That's the new baby. Look at you. Aren't you pretty? Aren't you pretty? Beautiful head stamp on him if it sits still long enough to capture it for you. But yeah, he's a gorgeous little guy. He's a Mojave spider. My first spider. I've heard so much about them. I decided it was time for me to raise one to see what all the big hype was about them. Maybe they are needy snakes, but it gives me a reason to pay them that much more attention. I just love animals that are in need of special care. Like I said, it doesn't matter as long as you're a responsible keeper. Beautiful cat stops moving. That's got to be the spider genetics, because I don't have ball pythons that are constantly on the go and twitching and jumping and hopping all over the place. But could be because it's a new home too, like I said. Time will tell.